Hi, I'm Adrienne, an Education Content Manager here at Sphero, and today we're here to show you our newest product, the Blueprint Engineering Kit. The Blueprint Engineering Kit is designed to have a low floor and a high ceiling to serve a diverse population of students. Today, I'll be showing you the individual engineering kit. These are also available in a class pack of either 10 or 15 kits. Each kit is meant to serve 2 to 3 students, and each class pack comes with a multi-charger, an extra battery, and a comprehensive teacher's guide. There are 2 bins included in the engineering build kit. The first bin, the largest one, includes all of your mechanical pieces, including a tray at the top for all the smaller pieces to be organized. To bring power to your Blueprint system, your engineering kit comes with a variety of electrical bits. The button bit is a simple input that allows you to go on and off with the press of a button. The rotary potentiometer bit allows you to send a variety of signals from positive 100 all the way to negative 100. The threshold bit allows you to send a signal through only when a certain threshold is met. Each circuit will start with the power bit. The power bit has 2 outputs so that you can create 2 separate circuits from each power bit. To get things powered up, you have 2 motor bits included in the kit, which have 4 different modes. To bring light to your creations, we have the LED bar, which can show a variety of colors. To get all the information you need about your builds, you can use the data display bit, which when connected to different bits will give you different pieces of data about your builds. Also included in your smaller bin are a variety of new mechanical pieces, including gears, rack gears, and larger plates. There are a few printed materials included in each Blueprint Engineering Kit. The first one is the Getting Started Guide. This guide will walk you through different best practices of how to use the mechanical pieces. The next set of printed materials are a set of 5 challenge cards included in each bin for 10 challenge cards total. The 5 challenge cards included in the larger bin are for only mechanical pieces. This allows you to get started with Blueprint quickly and easily. In your smaller bin, there are 5 different challenge cards included, meant to be used with the mechanical and electrical pieces. These allow you to work through the engineering design process as soon as you get your kit. If you purchased a class pack, you'll also get a printed comprehensive educator guide that includes tips of how to best implement the Blueprint Engineering Kit into your classroom. Each Blueprint Engineering Kit provides over 300 pieces to build simple and more complex builds. We provide over 30 guided builds to help get students started with the kit. Then, once they're more comfortable with the kit, they can use what they've learned to make creations of their own. Blueprint includes a comprehensive online curriculum that includes teacher guides, student handouts, lesson slides, and interactive build instructions. Many of our standard aligned lessons walk students through the engineering design process where they're creating builds of their own. On the Blueprint resources page, you'll also find additional resources that will be helpful in your classroom, including inventory sheets for each kit, a CAD guide to help you use CAD with your Blueprint kit, and a 3D printing guide that gives you introductory 3D printing parts. The ideal group size for each Blueprint Engineering Kit is 2 to 3 students, which fosters creativity and collaboration through the engineering design process. Thank you for using the Blueprint Engineering Kit, and we can't wait to see what you create with it.